Hi, in this video, I'll be doing a feature demonstration on NextLabs CloudAz Policy Controller plugins. PDP plugins are extensions deployed to the policy controllers to allow easy integrations for dynamic attribute retrieval from any source. CloudAz provides a central management for PDP plugins. CloudAz also provides the flexibility to activate, deactivate, and update the PDP plugins. Here are some key features of plugin management. Plugin must be written in Java and packaged as jar files. It requires properly configured property file and the plugin jar file. It supports additional file types if needed by the plugin. CloudAz plugin management can activate and deactivate multiple plugins at the same time. In our system administration, click on Plugins from the left side and click on Add Plugin on the top right corner. Here, I'll be adding a new plugin called LDAP User Attribute Provider, which allows us to retrieve external attributes from LDIV or LDAP. This depends on the setup I choose in the property file. Let's select our property file, our jar file, our third-party files, and our other files, which contains our plugin example LDIV and our JKS. Click on Save and Activate. Let's double check on our PDP log. We can see that our plugin was deployed successfully. Here, we have a policy that utilizes the plugin we just deployed. In this policy, I want to deny developers from outside of the Boston Development Center to view the Mikoshi project. Traditionally, we'll need to define a subject component, but with the power of plugin, the subject component will be replaced by the key attribute we set in our property file. And if I wanted to use additional subject attribute to do an evaluation, we can use the expression under the advanced conditions. Here, I want to use legal entity as a subject attribute to help further identify which entity is this user accessing from. This attribute must be an attribute that is not already defined under the user component type, and it is case sensitive to the value we mapped in the property file. Let's check this policy on our Postman. Now let's switch to a user that actually from Boston. Now we know how to utilize plugins. Let's take a look at how we can edit our plugin in case there's a change in the organization. Under System Administrations, go to Plugins, and we can see the plugin we have previously deployed. Click on this pencil icon to modify this plugin. Here, I can download my current property file and jar file or replace it with another property file. Keep in mind, every time we change the property file, we have to restart PDP for it to be effective. If I want to deactivate this plugin, I can click on the deactivation icon on the right side of this plugin. Alternatively, if I want to activate or deactivate multiple plugins, select on the plugins that we want to activate or deactivate, then click on the activation or deactivation icon on the top of the list. With this, we conclude our video on NextLabs CloudAz PDP Plugin Management. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the NextLabs channel, and stay tuned for more CloudAz feature videos.